This is Rajashekar from Sudhakar PVC Products Private Limited. I am the general manager. I am working with this organization from past 29 years. Sudhakar PVC pipes started established in the year 1970. We are manufacturers of all types of PVC pipes and fittings for agriculture, industrial and construction. And we started manufacturing with electrical conduit pipe in 1971. Meela Satyanarayana Anantul Janardhan has started this industry in the year 1971. Now already 50 years completed. Now we crossed more than 1500 crores turnover last year. Now this year we are expecting 2000 crores, and we are having all ranges of pipes and fittings for construction industry. We are manufacturing PVC pipes and fittings, SWR pipes and fittings, CPVC pipes and fittings, and also uPVC pipes and fittings, HDP pipes, water tanks, and we entered in white sand cables and also uPVC profiles. And also we are having so much range, UGD pipes, and recently we are starting our industry in Madhya Pradesh, Indore. About 250 crores project it is under construction. Expecting the industry start in the month of December, and this we are catering to North India. So, and thank you Hybiz for giving the opportunity. Thank you very much to Rajashekar Garu and team.